Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Apple CarPlay in your Audi A5. First, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 9, one or a newer version for the best experience. Also, confirm your Audi A5 model, generally from 2017 and later, supports CarPlay. Before you begin, enable both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone to prepare for the connection. This ensures a smooth and quick pairing process. Now let's connect your iPhone. On your Audi's MMI infotainment screen, find and select the Phone Apps option. Next, choose New Connection, or, if your phone was previously connected, select it from the device list. A PIN will appear on both your iPhone and the MMI screen. Verify they match, then tap Pair on your phone. This establishes the initial Bluetooth link. Once paired, you'll see a Use CarPlay message pop up on your iPhone. Select it to proceed. Simultaneously, on your Audi's MMI screen, you'll be asked to confirm. Choose Yes, Continue. You might also see a data usage note. Simply agree to continue. After these steps, the Apple CarPlay interface will appear on your MMI display, ready for use. With CarPlay active, you can now access your iPhone's features like navigation, music, and messages directly on your Audi's MMI display. To switch back to the standard Audi MMI system, simply touch the Audi MMI button within the CarPlay interface. If you encounter issues, try restarting your iPhone or reconnecting via Bluetooth. Also, for easy meal prep solutions, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.